We're here in Ellerbe, North Carolina, where the bobwhite quail population is flourishing every year. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss the ways in which particular animals survive by depending on the resources around them. Just like humans, quail have specific ways they interact with one another, certain climates they can live in, and particular foods they like to eat. Bobwhite quail depend on all of these factors to support their population and contribute to the ecosystem in various ways. So here we have the millet, and we also have milo on the farm too, but this is one of the types of plant life that the quail will eat. And notice we have, can you do a close-up, Jenna? Can you do a close-up of we'll get some of it.
What?
So here, it's not exactly the best example, maybe we should go over here, but we're in the Sandhills region, which means we're in the Piedmont area of North Carolina. So that means it's a type of soil that only certain plants are going to be able to sustain or live in, and depending on the types of plants, that's what type of animals are going to be around. So because these plants are here and they're abundant, these quail are able to survive. So that's one aspect of quail and how they depend on the environment and natural resources for living. So this is just some of the plants. We'll do a little overview.
And it's not finished growing.
And as my sister was saying earlier, it's whenever we do let them out into the wild, it's very important that they have this here, their food, they have shelter, kind of the low underbrush, and then you've got your water over there, which is another great resource for the quail and other animals as well. These baby quail are only 1 day old. In the next several weeks, their feathers will acquire the essential nutrients and oils they need in order to build up a healthy immune system and allow them to fly. At this age, they are too young to be able to distinguish between male and female. However, in the next 5 weeks, the males will have distinct white markings across their face. The females will be a light brown color in order to blend in with the environment while guarding her eggs. Oh, turtle! Look at this claw. Here we have an eastern box turtle, one of the other animals native to this habitat. His shell and head have specific markings that help us determine whether it is a male or female. This turtle was on its way to a nearby pond where it is most likely was looking for food and water. These are two mature bobwhites. One is male and the other is female. The process seen here is called dusting. The quail shake their feathers in the ground to fluff off ticks and small insects that may be bothering them. It can also be used as a method to keep cool on a hot summer day.